That sounds
Go.
dangerous. I'm not buying no gift card.
No, go get the card. We're
No.
coming over at your home.
Nope, you
Go
can
get
come
it.
over all
Go.
you want to. I'm not buying a gift card.
This is Mr. Douglas Jones reaching out to you about your large check that you're supposed to receive in a lot of Ford F-150 truck, okay?
You said a large check.
Yes, there's a large check that you're receiving from a senior citizen grand prize draw, okay, for $250 million.
$250 million.
That's correct. That's correct,
Oh
Mr.
my
Ellis. That's correct.
goodness. 250 million. What do I need to do to get that?
What you need to do in order to get this is just to make arrangement with us on the best day and time when we have this been delivered over to you, Miss Alice, okay?
All right. Yeah, we can do that.
Yes, no worries, no worries. Once we can make that arrangement, we will have your car and your large check been delivered over to you, okay? What kind of job were you doing before you got retired, Miss Alice? Because I'm seeing here that you are a senior citizen.
Yes, I am a senior citizen. I was a bookkeeper for a construction company before I retired.
Okay, okay. And what was the name of that construction company?
It was Margot Construction. My husband owned it.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So is it that company still running?
No, we sold it back about 15 or 20 years ago, and they changed it to something now. I don't remember. I think it was like Flamingo Construction or something like that. They changed the name.
When you and your husband, it was you and your husband that sold the construction company together?
Yes. Yes, he made the decision
Okay,
because he was just getting too old to do it. So he made
to
the
run it, yeah.
decision to sell it.
What you guys do with the money, you put it in investment?
No, we did not invest. We just have it in savings.
Oh, okay. So, what you're going to do with this 250 million that you're going to receive? Put it in savings?
No, it won't go into savings because my sister has access to my savings, and I don't want anybody to know about this.
So, do you know how much money you have in your savings right now?
Let me see. I have a bank statement somewhere.
Okay,
Where
look.
did that go? It's on
Okay,
my desk somewhere.
okay, look for it.
250. It's gotta be somewhere around the. It's gotta be somewhere in the in the $100,000 range. I just don't want to scare him off.
$258,613.
You said 258,000.
Yes, $613.
$613. Okay, and that's the
Yes.
only bank you bank with? That's the
Uh,
only bank you bank with?
yes, that's my savings. I have my checking account is different.
You know your balance there?
Yes, it's on the bank statement too. That one is $48,037.
48,000.
Yes.
Do you do any online banking, Miss Alice?
No, I don't trust the interweb.
Do you have any cash with you at home now?
Yes, I do.
If you can do a registration, that would be great. How many cash do you have at home now?
What is a registration? How do I do that?
For you would do the registration by getting just a gift card.
A gift card. Oh, I don't like the sound of that.
All right. Well, leave it then. Leave it then. I will get things looked after then. Don't worry.
Could
Okay.
I just do a check?
Yes. Yes. You could do a check.
How much is the check for the
Fi-
registration?
500.
500.
When you reach out the bank, all what you had to do is just to leave the phone in the car, go and open the account, and then come back to me. Okay.
Hey, are you there?
Hello. Yes, I'm here.
All right, I just opened a new account.
Okay. Okay. Great. Congratulations for that. I'll send you the address so you can get the money order mailed out too.
All right, I'm ready. I'll just run over to this Walmart and get the $500 money order. And I need to
Yes.
get an envelope while I'm there to put the check
Yes.
in.
Yes. And then you will post it off at the FedEx next day mail.
Okay, I'm doing the money order, taking it to FedEx.
Yes, and you're supposed to get a tracking number. I'm going to need that tracking number.
And tracking number.
All right, make your way to the Walmart to get the envelope and the money order. I'm on the line.
Hey, I'm about to pull into Walmart.
All right, honey. All right. Thank you. Thank you for being driving safe. All right. So you're going to pull into Walmart now. You're going to leave the phone inside the car. Don't take it with you in there. And get the money order, put it in the envelope, and then come back to me on the phone.
Hey, this is Alice.
Mrs. Ellis, it's Douglas Jones.
Hey, how you doing? I just walked in the door.
Oh, you just walked in the door?
Yes, I'm home now.
Okay, okay, okay. You go and have a seat. Take all the documents with you that you got and have a seat, the receipt and stuff, and let me go through this.
All right, I have it.
Did you send out the 500? You didn't get the $500 money order sent out.
Did I get a money? I have dementia, so I don't remember a whole
Okay.
lot.
Okay, all right. You remember the $500 money order that you were supposed to get for?
Oh, yes, I do remember.
Okay, did you get the money?
I believe I did. I mailed that.
Yeah, but she don't get it all now.
Let
But
me check
maybe
the
you could.
car. Hold on. I'm in the car. I don't see a money order in here.
How much money do you have at home with you now?
I need to go up to the closet to see. I don't know how much is in there. All right. I don't know how much is in here, but it's a good bit. How much do I need?
You're gonna need $1,000.
1,000. I have that.
Do you got dress where you can go out on the street? I need you to go and purchase two money pack card, $500 a piece, so we can able to get them processed and come with the money in the car today.
Money pack. I've heard of money
Yes,
pack before.
yes, yes, honey. Yes, those are the cards that we're gonna
No,
have to
that's a
use.
gift card. Money
Yes, it's
pack
like
is a gift card. That's a one vanilla gift card.
yes.
I don't like that.
You don't like
No,
that?
I don't like that at all.
Well, it's the fastest way that we can able to get the money being transferred.
Well,
Okay?
I'm sorry. I can do a check. I can do a wire transfer. I'm not doing a gift card.
Okay.
Talk to your boss. Talk to go talk to your boss and figure out what else we can do. I will not do a gift card. Call me back.
Okay.
Bye bye. Mr. Jones.
Yes, it's Mr. Jones.
Yes, sir. We lost connection.
Yes, we lost connection. All right. With $1,000, you're going to get a check. All right,
I
or a
can do
money order.
that. I can do that. That's fine.
You can do that. All right. Um, what I'm going to do, I'm going to provided you with the person name that you're supposed to put the money order into. Okay.
All right. Uh, all right. I'm ready to write down that information. All right. I have that. I'm ready to go. This is Alice.
Hi, hello, Miss Alice.
Yes.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing just fine. How are you doing?
I'm doing all right. Where are you now?
I'm at home.
Okay, you're at home. All right, I'm reaching out to you from the bank. I'm calling you about the money that's supposed to be delivered to you today. Do you know about it?
Yes, I know. I know I won something. They told me not to say anything to anybody.
We are just reaching out to you to let you know that we are the one that has the money for you. And we would like to say happy winnings to you, ma'am. And we can get this money to you today if you want it to be today, all right?
All right, today would be perfect.
Did you go to FedEx?
Yes.
Okay. And what did you go there to do?
Uh, mail to mail a cashier's check.
We are going to need you to get $1,000 being taken care of to the bank right now, so you can able to get through with this money today because we are having a little bit of difficulty on getting it to you. So we would like to know if you could able to get $1,000 taken care of so you can get this money today.
All right, so I just need to give you $1,000 willy-nilly.
That's right. That's right.
All right. What do I need? Do I need to go to I'll drive to the Bank of America. Let me get in the car.
Miss Ali.
I'm here. Yes, sir.
All right, you're going to send that $1,000 to her, okay?
All right. Am I getting a check or can I just do cash?
You can do it in cash or you can do it in check, but I would prefer you to get a money order.
That's fine. I can do the money order, sir. That's not the problem.
Toot your car on, let me hear it.
You said the car horn?
Yes, toot it.
Did you
Okay,
hear it?
okay. Yes, you had a powerful horn. I hear it.
I'm getting a phone call. Hold on.
Hello?
Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, hello. May I ask who I'm talking to?
Alice Margot.
Olive Bartigal?
Right.
Okay, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine. How are you? Who is this?
Yes, this is Deborah Holland from the Publishers Clearinghouse.
Deborah Holland. Oh, from
Yes,
Publishers Clearinghouse. I know Publishers Clearinghouse.
where are you now?
I'm at home.
Okay, did you get your claims card at the Walgreens drugstore? When you go to Walgreens, you're going to buy yourself an Amazon gift card for $500, okay?
Are you using a voice box? A changer?
No.
All right, well, that's good
Okay.
enough for me.
So when you go to Walgreens, you're going to get an Amazon gift card for $500, okay? Write it down.
Amazon gift
Card.
card. No, I'm
Yes.
not doing that. That sounds
Go.
dangerous. I'm not buying no gift card.
No, go get the card. We're
No.
coming over at your home.
No,
Go
you can
get
come
it.
over
Go.
all you want to. I'm not buying a gift card.
Go get it, sweetie. Go and get it.
Bring it to me when you get here.
No, go buy the card. Go get the
No,
card
bring
at the
it to
Walgreens.
me when you get here.
No, go get the card. Go.
No.
Go. Go to Walgreens and get an Amazon gift card for $500. Okay?
I said no.
I said go.
No, it's no.
It's yes.
I
Go.
don't think you're hearing me.
Go to Walgreens and get the card. Go.
No.
Go now.
No.
Go.
No.
Go.
No.
Go.
Hey, this is Alice.
Hey, Mrs. Alice, I lost you off the line.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Deborah Holland called me and told me to go get Amazon gift cards. I told her I don't like that idea.
Listen, I don't know who is Deborah Holland. Go and send out the money.
What
Get
money?
the money order. Get the money order for the $1,000.
What do I need to do?
Get the $1,000 money order for. I gave you the information. Where are you now?
I'm at home. Are you there?
Home. You're at home now?
I'm at home.
I thought that you said that you were going to the car.
I did. I went to the car. I didn't leave.
You didn't leave?
I don't think I did.
Thought you told me you're at the post office.
Well, I was probably at the post office 45 minutes ago. I'm back home
Did you get
now.
the
I
money?
just live 10 minutes from the post office.
Did you get the money order?
I believe I did. Are you there?
Where is it? Where is it?
I mailed it. I mailed it to...
Where is the receipt?
Oh, I threw that away.
You didn't do anything, Miss Alice.
How long have I been talking to you?
All the time.
A long time?
Yes.
Yeah,
I talked to you when you were...
I never left the house.
Listen. I know you never left the house. I know that.
I'm glad you know, 'cause I'm tired of lying. I'm sorry.
But you're lying to me. But you're lying to me.
I'm not lying to you. You're
Yeah.
lying to me.
You told me you're out the... Listen, you told me that you're in the parking lot at the post office, and you didn't leave the house.
I'm in the parking lot at my house.
Can you go and get the money order?
No.
Why?
'Cause you've been lying to me all day. Don't treat me like I'm stupid.
Lying to you about? Tell me.
About the whole thing. You even had somebody call me from Bank of America. A man pretending to be a woman. Get real, scammer. I'm not stupid. You almost had me until you had that person call me. Was that you? That was you, wasn't it? That was you pretending to be a woman.
No, it wasn't.
No, that was you.
No, it
That
wasn't.
was you.
I don't know about
That was you. I would be embarrassed if I was you.
You're just playing around.
You're
just
wasting
playing
your
around.
time, sweetheart. You are.
I know.
You're wasting your time.
Don't worry. I won't Don't waste my time. Don't worry.
I mean, we can talk all you want.
Hey everybody, usually I have a script written out. I didn't want to interrupt the video too much. I am trying something new. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps the videos grow. But until next time, I'll see y'all.
Skeleton girls about to take you on a ride, so have a seat tonight. And we got a liar on the line, like a spider every time, creeping right up behind. We're seeing through your disguise and laughing at every lie. Skeleton girl.